Hey Hoopers, Tanuki Twirls here. For today's Tanuki Toots, I'll be sharing the down escalator neck break. There is one prerequisite that I'm demonstrating here. The reverse downward escalator where you release at your neck. When you release this escalator, your contact point for this break is going to be between your neck and the shoulder of the arm that is raised. Once you release the hoop, you need to raise the opposite arm. As you can see here, before I release, I'm thinking about the next arm that needs to come up. Release, up. Release, up. There it is. If you need a longer tutorial with slow motion and multiple angles, please see my Patreon.
The guidance, I usually say that's anywhere between about 26 inches in diameter up to... Let's go back to the steps 1 and 2 again. What's happening here? The arm that's lifting to create that break. It bounces back ever so slightly. So watch for that, and I'll slow it down for you too. This can even be an exercise I would recommend. Against your neck, that's good. That is what you want.